an iced sponge cake from the Children's Step-by-Step Cookbook by Angela Wilkes. 30 grams of cocoa powder. 85 grams of cake flour. 115 grams of custard sugar. 115 grams of softened butter. Sift the cocoa powder and cake flour into the mixing bowl. Add custard sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Add 3 drops of vanilla essence. Add the butter and 2 large eggs. Beat the mixture hard for about 2 minutes. The cake mixture should drop off a spoon easily. Line a few cake tins with grease-proof paper. Divide the cake mixture equally between the tins. Smooth out the batter. Bake for 20 minutes. Let cakes cool completely. Now for the filling and icing. 200 grams of dark chocolate broken into pieces. Add 4 tablespoons of sour cream. Mix well over a water bath. Assembling the cake. Place first layer on the cake board. Spread filling on top. Repeat for the other layers. Finally, spread icing over top and sides of the finished cake. Then decorate with fresh berries. And more fresh berries.